Hello everyone, this is K-Size China. Today, we are introducing an online dissolved oxygen sensor, KWS-650C. The probe of the KWS-650C online dissolved oxygen sensor is manufactured based on the fluorescence quenching principle. It features built-in temperature compensation and salinity compensation, which effectively improve measurement stability and accuracy. The overall measurement accuracy can reach plus or minus 2%. In terms of communication, the KWS-650C adopts an RS-485 interface and supports the Modbus RTU communication protocol, allowing easy connection to PLCs, industrial control computers, 4G DTUs, and other devices for data acquisition, remote monitoring, and system integration. This sensor is suitable for a wide range of applications, including aquaculture, water treatment, and wastewater treatment, industrial water monitoring, and scientific research, meeting the requirements for long-term online monitoring. The detailed datasheet of the product will be displayed in the video for reference. Installation and wiring. The top of the KWS-650C sensor is designed with a mounting thread interface, with a thread specification of 3/4 NPT. Before installation, the rubber protective cap at the front of the probe should be removed. During installation, the sensor must be fixed below the liquid surface to ensure proper contact between the probe and the measured water. Please note during installation and use, avoid collision or scratching of the sensor probe, and prevent the fluorescent membrane surface from being covered by sediments, sludge, or impurities. The KWS-650C sensor uses a 4-core shielded twisted pair cable for wiring. The wiring definition is as follows. Red, connect to 12 to 24 VDC power positive. Black, connect to power ground, GND. Blue, connect to RS-485A. White, connect to RS-485B. All wiring points must be properly waterproofed to prevent water ingress from affecting normal operation. All wiring points must be properly waterproofed, and the user cables should have adequate corrosion resistance. Power on. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands. Below, I will demonstrate how to use Modbus commands to read the sensor address and measurement values. The sensor's default communication settings are baud rate 9600, 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, and no parity. The default sensor address is 05, and the broadcast address is FF. If we do not know the sensor address, we can access the sensor using the broadcast address. Send the command FF0320020001. Open the serial port and click Send. At this point, the data returned by the sensor is 0005, where 05 is the sensor address. Next, by referring to the product manual, we know that the sensor's measurement value and temperature data are stored in register address 000, occupying 4 registers. Therefore, we can use the sensor address 05 obtained earlier to read the measurement values. Send the command 0503000004. Then click Send. At this point, the data returned by the sensor is 001-2000-200BC 001, where 0012 represents the measurement value. 0002 represents the number of decimal places of the measurement value. 00BC represents the temperature value. 0001 represents the number of decimal places of the temperature value. Next, we convert the measurement value to decimal for explanation. Convert 0012 to decimal. Open the calculator, select HEX, enter 12, and convert it to decimal, which gives 18. With 2 decimal places, the measurement value is 0.18, with the unit mgl. Next. Next, convert the temperature value to decimal. Select HUX, enter BC, and convert it to decimal, which gives 188. With 1 decimal place, the temperature is 18.8 degrees Celsius. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.